Olive tree. We're on a cul-de-sac here in a desirable area of Green Valley. We have desert landscaping already, which is great. I'm thinking at some point this wood frame around the garage will have to be painted. Very minor thing to do. Can make a huge difference in how the house shows. Just, you know, because it's a little older there. Just a couple areas where you can see the weed barrier, but that may be able to be the rocks just moved around a little bit. So probably paint the front door. And get a new deadbolt. It's pretty old. We'll have to count the windows. There's a lot of windows. We don't have a microwave. The fan's making some noise, so I'll go ahead and put fan down on the list just in case it needs to be replaced. Looks like they built a cabinet over the window. Oh, maybe not. This is a tiny window. Okay, so we would want to get the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, probably granite counters with an undermount sink and a gooseneck faucet. This is a great backyard. Maybe add some rock here. Very private for Vegas. So we had some fruit trees here. I'm counting 17 windows just right here because of all the small windows. So we'll see what Jenny says about whether those small windows on the top there need covering. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 and an arched fan, which is about $50. It's a lot of blinds. This side of the house we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This could be a media room or an office. Modern light fixture there. Carpet may need to be replaced. Tile looks good though. That's a bug. Okay. Laundry room is off to itself over here. So, very bad laminate job. Probably want to redo the laminate in here. But it is really nice to have a laundry room off to itself, and it's a pretty good size. So it looks like we have a drip pan with earthquake straps in place for the water heater, and we have overhead storage and 2 garage openers, which you don't normally have. A lot of times you only have 1 garage opener, and the 3rd carport does not have one. So that's nice. If they both work, even nicer. Okay, so here's the master. Whoa, it's huge. So probably touch up the grout there. Replace all the light bulbs. So we have 2 windows here. 3. Okay. Interesting how these windows are counted. So they put 1 large vertical across it. Probably remove, oh, the carpet needs, oh, okay. I'm not sure what's under this carpet, but it's all pulled up in the corner there. And removing those speakers and cords is very easy to do. Not expensive. They're running through the property. That same light fixture is in here. We need some closet door guides. We have the closet hanger, so that's good. Closet door guides. We need the grout filled in here too. It's Jenny's call on the cabinets. You know, we don't need a paper arch fan. Caulking needs to be done. Very cheap and easy to do. Count this blind as well. We have closet door guides here and a hanger. Okay. One, two, three, and a paper arch fan. That one looks kind of old, so I'm just going to put one down. And then we have 1 more blind. Okay, and a repaint.